Morning guys, welcome back. So from time to time you may be asked to compare prices or between vendors or between price lists, and this is one quick way that I go about doing it. So on the left hand side here, in all these rows you have the different pay items. Over here on the column side you have the different vendors or contractors. Now you have numbers all over the place. One quick way to discern which one's higher, which one's lower is to color code it. And we color code it by doing a conditional formatting of all the submitted prices. So we do a conditional formatting, do a color gradient, and just show high price being red and low price being green. So you do that for one row, and it kind of helps the number pop out at you. Now we could go ahead and do this for each subsequent row, one at a time, and as you can see it could get quite tedious, right? So what we'll do is we're going to employ the help of macro to help us, and I think I already recorded one in here, so let me show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. So we have two macros recorded. One of them is called colorize. Colorize in essence is just everything we did earlier by selecting it one row at a time manually, putting it into a color gradient. And the color multi-row, that's where we employ the use of just a loop counter, and we just offset it by one row and then repeat the process of colorizing it. So you see here in this loop, declaration of the variable, loop 41 times because there are 41 rows, colorize every single row, and then offset, and then colorize again. So to show you a row by row illustration, let me just do a step into. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Let's clear all the formats. So what we do here is select the first row, step into, so we're running through the script, colorize, and do all its thing. Now we're going to offset. Oh my god. Alright, so this is from the add-ins provided by the IT department. That screws with our script, but we'll take care of them later. Anyway, so that's what these two macros do. Our colorize will perform a conditional formatting and highlight each row selected. Calling multi-rows will just repeat the process. So when we run it, it kind of breaks out the format into this this color pattern, so you can kind of see where your high prices are. I hope that's helpful. I'll make another video on iterating through the macros another time.